Hey guys, welcome. Let me introduce you this glue gun by DIYSELF. It's a very nice glue gun you can use for all your craft at home, at the school, whatever you need, whatever you want. You can take this everywhere. I'm gonna show you how it works now.
One of the things that I like most about this glue gun is that it has two power settings, 60 watts and 100 watts. The 60 watts settings is perfect for the smaller, more delicate works, while the 100 settings gives you a stronger power for bigger jobs. You can easily switch between them depending on what you need. The glue gun also heats up very quickly. It only takes about 3 to 5 minutes, so you don't have to wait long to start working. It has a heat-resistant nozzle, which helps prevent dripping and keeps everything clean while you work. The trigger feels very smooth, making it easy to control the flow of glue without making a mess. The design is simple, but the build quality feels very solid and durable. The handle is very comfortable to hold, and the power cord is long enough to move around easily while using it. And the glue sticks that comes with it are strong and clear, perfect for sticking paper, fabric, wood, plastic, and many other materials. This glue gun is really a great tool to have at home, whether you like crafting, decorating, preparing things, or even making gifts for friends and family. Overall, I think this DIYSELF Hot Glue Gun is very practical, easy to use, and super helpful for all kinds of creative projects. If you like dyeing or crafting, this is definitely a tool worth having. Go and buy it right now.